What's good, family? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick and easy potato salad. Everybody go love it. These are all the ingredients right here. Okay, I got the potato salad out of Walmart. It's called deviled egg potato salad. Now this is the potato salad you make for like a party, a last minute activity. You know, somebody hit you up like, man, we having a party, or, you know what I mean? Bring a dish. Everybody bring a dish. This is what you bring right here. But we got 8 eggs. You know what I mean? We're gonna chop it up and put it in potatoes. We're gonna chop these up. You know, I like my potato salad with a lot of eggs in it. But yeah, this is quick and easy. Real simple. Like I say, nobody would ever know, you know what I mean? Ain't nobody gonna know you got this potato salad out of Walmart. And you just added, you know what I mean, some eggs, you know what I mean, a little radish, a little sugar, a little mayo. But who don't love potato salad? I mean, I love it. I love it. Every cookout, I gotta have me some potato salad. But it's, you know what I mean, for the ones that don't know how to make it, this is for you guys, you know what I mean, quick and easy. Get you some potato salad already pre-made. Get you some eggs, you know what I mean, get you some a little relish. You know, sugar is optional, you know what I mean, because this deviled egg potato salad already got a little sweetness to it already, the one out of Walmart. Now we're going with the relish, you know, we're going to put like 2 tablespoons, you know, I be eyeballing it, but you know, 2 tablespoons of relish. Then we go hit it with the helmets. A little sugar. You'll get a little stir. Mix it up real good. You know, and the remaining 3 eggs, we're gonna chop them and go leave them on the top. You know what I mean? A little decoration. If you want more eggs, you can add more eggs. But you know what I mean? I think 8 eggs is enough for this little jar of potato salad I got at Walmart. Now we're gonna add a little layers to the top. That go get a little coloring. Get a little color. A little paprika. You know what I mean? And that's it. I mean, this is a 30-minute recipe. 30 minutes. There we go. This is the final look. Look real good. And like I say, they will not know. They will not know. But yeah, thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out.